Want to protect all your devices at once with a single VPN setup? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install a VPN directly onto your route, step by step, using NordVPN. If you want to try NordVPN at a great price, there's a link in the description below. To start, you'll need to make sure your VPN provider supports router installations. NordVPN is one of the best for this. It offers clear setup guides, strong privacy features, and 24/7 support if you need help. Next, you need to make sure your router supports VPN connections. Not all routers do. You should use one that has built-in VPN support or that can be updated with special firmware. Firmware like OpenWRT or DDWRT is helpful because it can support advanced protocols like WireGuard. But in this tutorial, we'll use OpenVPN, which works with more routers and is easier for beginners. If you're buying a new router for this, I suggest looking at models from gl.inet or ASUS. They are reliable and support VPNs out of the box. I'll be using an ASUS router for this setup because the process is simple and doesn't require flashing any firmware. Let's begin the setup. First, go to the NordVPN website and log into your account. Click Login in the top right and enter your email and password. Once logged in, go to the NordVPN section and scroll down to Manual Setup, click on it. This is where you can download manual configuration files. Choose then country you want to connect to. For example, let's use the United Kingdom. Click on Setup Configuration and look for OpenVPN config files. Download the UDP file for faster performance. Next, still on the NordVPN website, find your service credentials. These are not the same as your regular login. NordVPN provides a separate username and password for manual setup. Copy these and keep them safe. You'll need them during the router configuration. Now open a web browser and type your router's IP address into the address bar. For ASUS routers, it's usually 192.168.1.1. Press Enter to go to the login screen. Enter your router's admin username and password. These might be written on the back of your router. If you haven't changed them before, they could be something like admin for both the username and password. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the VPN section. Then, go to the VPN Client tab. Click on the button that says Add Profile. A new window will open. Choose the OpenVPN tab in that window. You'll see some empty fields. Give your VPN connection a name like NordVPN UK. Then, paste in the username and password you got from the NordVPN service credentials page. Now it's time to upload the configuration file. Click on the button to choose a file and select the OpenVPN file you downloaded earlier from the NordVPN website. It should be the UDP version for the country you selected. After uploading the file, click OK or Apply to save the new profile. You'll now see your new VPN profile listed in the VPN Client tab. To turn it on, just click the Activate button next to the profile. Your router will now connect to the NordVPN server, and all the devices on your network will be routed through the VPN. That's the full setup. If something goes wrong, check your router's settings or review the NordVPN guide for your specific model. Their customer support is also very helpful if you need assistance. By installing a VPN on your router, you make sure your entire network is protected. Phones, laptops, smart TVs, and even game consoles will all go through the VPN. It's a great way to stay secure and private online without having to install apps on every device. If you want to try NordVPN and get a great deal, the link is in the description.